Hi there, this is the video tutorial and video proof of the extreme into Python contest of yours. So this video I'm going to show you how to set up the program and how it runs and how it does the work. Okay, so let's see those files, and this is the files where I have, and as I said, this the creds.dat file, which you will have your credentials. Okay, where you will gonna put your credentials. I'm not gonna show you this file's content because it contains my credentials, so let's just create something file, and I'm gonna show you first line. You gonna be your username and then password. Like as an example, your username could be aloha 112, and the password could be very secure password. Okay, so this is how it's gonna, like, this is the format you have to just put it in. Just let's get done it. Okay, so as you can see, there is another file creates.dat, but our program is going to use the creds.dat. okay, I intentionally misspelled it. Okay, so before we run the program, we need to install dependencies, and you don't have to install individual dependencies manually, because I created a requirements file and it contains all the dependencies we need and the specific version I developed with, so you don't have to figure it out, or there will not be any version collision. So this is it. We're going to do it. So pip install -r, because we're going to install from the requirements file, and then done it. And as you can see, it says requirements already satisfied, because I already have all those requirements. So let's run the main file python, and then tweet scraper version 1.1. okay, this is the latest version. Let's run it. So it's open the Selenium Chrome instance, and it's gonna log into my Twitter/X account. uh, Sometimes it takes more time because of the proxies. Some proxies are fast, some proxies are uh, pretty slow. Let's close this and run it again so that we can go through another proxy. Okay, hope this time it will get a good proxy. One thing I have to mention, that you have to disable two-factor authentication, otherwise it won't work. Okay, this one is pretty much uh, faster than the previous one, at least. So now it's loaded the home page of my Twitter account, and it's going to get all the Twitter tweets and also the quotes tweeted, and it will keep on doing until we get all the tweets. After it gathers all the tweets, it will automatically um, close the browser instance. Okay, so it automatically closed the browser instance like that. So let's clear it and see. We got this data.json file, and as you can see there is all the tweets we got from my home directory. Oh, there's a lot of tweets. Okay, I hope you get it, how these things works. And oh, let me show you another thing, that proxies. So proxies are basically just like the same way. You have to add every single proxies like in a new line, and the same format as the creates.dat. Okay, so I hope you get how it works and how to use it. And if you have any question and any more requirements, and please provide me feedback. So provide me feedback so that I can improve this software. And thank you so much.